What's up guys, today we have another video and we're going to be talking about the motor assembly and visiting Rick's machine shop over in Houston, Texas. I want to give them a huge shout out because they were able to assemble the motor in literally the span of a week or less, and the motor came out great. So I'm gonna roll the clip. So yeah, looking back at the motor, everything on it looks pretty good in comparison to how it was before. And you remember, if you've been watching this build series, that this motor came literally caked in sand underneath the intake, a live ant colony, and a ton of dirt, grime. The motor came out great. So next step is getting it all assembled and verifying everything with it, and going from there. If you take a look at the motor, you can see the block was decked. Motor was bored out a little bit, but it's still got plenty of room left on the cylinder walls. It's got new cam bearings, block was cleaned, so overall very impressed with the work, especially with the time constraints. So I'm overall pretty happy with it. If you guys are interested in any motor stuff, if you need a motor built, I definitely would recommend Rick's Machine Shop over in Houston, Texas. So make sure to check them out. Quite honestly, I'm very impressed with the quality, the availability, and the price of the whole Pro LS line from Summit Racing. If you know anything about performance parts in general, you know that going fast ain't cheap. And usually forged rods and pistons are very expensive. So considering the price and how good quality that the Summit Pro LS line is, I'm wondering if there's anything out there that is very similar. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think.